For this problem, we have a function composition problem where we're combining the function g of a and h of a together. So this problem is asking us to find what is g of a plus h of a. So basically what we're going to do is take whatever g of a and h of a equals and substitute them in for both of these a. So g of a is basically g of a minus 3 plus h of 4a minus 5. So when we're adding this, one thing to point out is that this right here could be rewritten as g plus h of a. This is basically what it is. If you know what this is, we basically just come up adding these two in order to know what a is. So let's combine them. So a minus 3 plus 4a minus 5. Now we just have like terms. Our like terms are a. They both of them have a, the variable. So a plus 4a just 5a. And then negative 3 minus 5 is just negative 8. And this is going to be our answer. For these two next problem, for question 8, we have g of x equals 2x plus 4, h of x equals x cubed minus 5x squared. We're asked to find what is g over h of x, or what is g divided by h going to be. So this is basically really simple. We just substitute whatever g of x or h of x equals. So when we substitute, we get 2x plus 4 divided by x cubed minus 5x squared. And we look to see if there's any common numbers to where we could cancel out, which there isn't. So this is just basically our answer. So g of h of x equals 2x plus 4 divided by x cubed minus 5x squared. It's going to be our answer for question 8. For question 9, we're going to find g minus f of g minus f of x. So this is basically, you could think of this as g of x minus f of x. Okay, this is basically rewritten to make it less confusing. Okay? So this is basically what this is equivalent to. So let's just plug it in. We have x minus 5 minus x squared minus 5 minus x. And we have this negative here, so we're going to distribute this into the whole everything inside this parenthesis. So we rewrite x minus 5, get negative x squared plus 5 plus x, and then let's combine like terms. There's nothing for negative x squared, so we just rewrite that, and we have x and x plus x just 2x, and negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So our answer is going to be negative x squared plus 2x. For this final problem, we're asked to find the same thing just like question 9, but it's different. Instead of the other two, we have f minus g. Okay, or you can think of it as f of x minus g of x. Doesn't matter which way, but I prefer this way. So let's just substitute what f of x and g of x equals. So we get 2x minus 1 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, these are in parentheses because 2x is being minus by 1. Okay, let's distribute this negative into everything inside this parentheses. Let's rewrite 2x minus 1. That's going to be negative 2x minus 1. Oh, we have like terms. 2x minus 2x minus 2x is just 0. So negative 1 minus 1 is just negative 2, which is our answer.